Alright you guys, so this is the length of my hair right now. My ends are looking very ugly and I'm gonna measure my hair later using a measuring tape so that I would know how long it is. I actually noticed that my hair was growing really fast because I don't know if you guys remembered, but I think I did the trim on February this year. I trimmed my hair and my hair grew really quick and we're not even in December yet. You know, it hasn't been a year yet. And also I have been like micro trimming my hair, okay? There's a difference when I say like trimming my hair, because when I trim my hair sometimes I cut about like an inch or an inch and a half. But if I do micro trim, it's just tiny bit of hair just to make my ends look decent. So I definitely did do a couple of just micro trims. Now what I'm going to do with my hair right now is I'm just going to braid this because I'm going out and I'm probably going to put my hair up because due to Miss Rona, I can't put my hair down because I don't want my hair to touch things or to touch stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and when I get back, we're going to measure the length of my hair. Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and measure my hair right now. Actually, I purposely filmed at night because I thought that my dogs are not going to be barking, but yeah, they still are. So we're gonna push through the video. Right now they're kind of quiet, but a while ago they were going crazy. Okay. Just gonna... Sometimes it's very hard to measure my hair when it's just me. Okay, so my hair is not stretched at all. It's actually like that, so I feel like it's kind of hard to find like the real length. It's not exactly 41 because it went 41 and an extra line. So that is it. My hair right now is 41 inches long, and I think I'll have to wait until January again or February. But yep, that's it. I think I really need to do another micro trim though, because as you guys have seen my ends a while ago, they're not good. So before doing the big trim, I'm going to be doing micro trims and maybe trim my hair an inch or two in December so that it would look decent again. And just to be honest, you guys, I'm actually very much tempted to add a little bit of like layers on my hair. I know I've been saying this over and over again and my dog is barking. Oh my god. Okay, I would actually like to cut like shorter layers of my hair starting from right here so that whenever I do hairstyles on my hair would have a little bit of style to it and it's not just, you know, all one length and all that. Especially it's gonna look cute when it's curled. So that is it, you guys. I feel like I'm battling speaking and then my dog barking in the background, but what can I do? Alright you guys, so I still have more time today, so I'm going to be trimming and practicing on my head mannequin's hair on how to cut hair short. By the way, if you guys are not familiar with head mannequins, they're tools that has been used by cosmetologists to practice cutting hair and to practice dyeing the hair as well, because the head mannequins that I got I think has 100% human hair. Alright, so that is it. Let's get started. I don't want you guys to freak out, but this is my head mannequin right here. So this head mannequin of mine has a one-sided parting. So I'm gonna try and kind of like trim her hair, kind of maybe give her a little bit of a bob to see if I could do that. Okay, so I am just going to cut this. I sprayed it with water and now I think that this would be so much better if the hair was actually really straight. But then I don't have my flat iron here, so... Okay. Probably just gonna start cutting right here. I'm just gonna follow the shortest layer of the bottom part. Cut about that much. It's mostly kind of just like a blunt cut, and now I'm just gonna take this layer right here at the back. Cut that right there. Okay, so that's what it looks like at the back right now. So now I need to work on this area right here. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like right now. Her hair looks super fresh. I think this would be really great if I actually, like, as I've said, flat iron her hair so that you would really see what it actually looks like. I'm actually planning to maybe, instead of this, I would just change her parting like this. Wait, hold on. I don't know why I'm so nervous and this is not even my hair. Take this section right here. And another section right here as well at the side. I'm gonna cut this first right here. Just like that. I'm gonna take this and then maybe cut it. Oh, okay, not bad. And this one, parang thin it out the side just like that. I'm gonna do the exact same thing here. And then when it comes to the bangs, maybe straighten it up a little bit. Yeah, well that did not go well. I actually have, instead of using the scissors right here, I'm gonna use another scissor. I have a scissors right here that looks like this. And I was told that this is supposed to like thin out the bangs or anything. The hair. I mean, it's kind of working. I just don't know if that's supposed to happen. Okay. Over here. Okay, I still think that it needs a little bit, like, it needs to be cut right here. But at least it is pretty much thinned out already. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and probably style this out first. Maybe curl this part of the hair right here. Alright, you guys, so that's what it looks like right there. That's the side view of it. I actually like how it turned out. I mean, it's not perfect. As I said, I'm not a hairdresser, but I tried, okay. So what I did, I just gave her a one length. She actually has some short layers on her hair already. That's how the head mannequin was customized. What I did is I just did kind of like a blunt cut on her ends and then gave her the soft like bangs right there that looks like that. And that is the side view, and I like that her hair still has, you know, a little bit of volume. It's not flat or anything. It definitely has some body to it. And this is what it looks like at the back right here. I'm actually planning to buy more head mannequins to practice cutting hair and do more hairstyles as well. But basically that's what it looks like right there. Alright you guys, so that is it. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments down below. Do you all want kind of like occasional casual hair vlogs from me? Because I usually do some, you know, tutorials and all that, but if you like this casual vid, let me know in the comments down below and I will see you on my next one. Bye!